In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a hyperlink split across lines in Microsoft Word. Sometimes, when you insert a long hyperlink into a Microsoft Word document, you may notice that Word leaves a large amount of empty space on the line above the link. This can make your document look uneven and can be especially noticeable when you're working with long web addresses. The reason this happens is that Word normally treats a hyperlink as unbreakable text. Instead of allowing the link to wrap naturally at a convenient point, Word may move part or all of the hyperlink to the next line. Fortunately, there's a simple way to fix this by inserting a special character called a zero-width optional break. This character doesn't add visible space or change the appearance of your hyperlink. Instead, it tells Word that the hyperlink can be separated at that specific location if necessary, allowing the link to wrap more naturally across multiple lines. There are two methods you can use to insert this character. If the first method doesn't work on your computer, you can use the second method instead. For the first method, place your cursor immediately after the / in the hyperlink, or at another location where you want the link to split. Next, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. While holding Alt, use the numeric keypad to type 803. After entering the numbers, release the Alt key. Word should now recognize the character as a zero-width optional break. The hyperlink can then move up and fill the available space on the line above, helping to remove the uneven spacing. If you want to see the special character that was inserted, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and select the Show or Hide button. This displays formatting marks and other hidden characters in your document. You can turn this option on or off whenever you need it. If the first method doesn't work, there's another way to insert the same character. Place your cursor where you want the hyperlink to split, such as immediately after the /. Now type 200B and immediately press Alt and X together. Word will convert that code into the same zero-width optional break character, producing the same effect and allowing the hyperlink to wrap across lines more neatly. Using either method keeps the hyperlink fully functional and clickable while eliminating unnecessary blank space above the link. This is particularly useful when working with long URLs or documents that contain multiple hyperlinks. With the zero-width optional break, your hyperlinks can fit more naturally within the available space, helping your Word documents look cleaner, more organized, and easier to read. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,